Kubernetes plugin provides a lot of commands. Almost all of them work well in Theia for today. For example, we can try to execute Kubernetes describe command. Let's type pods to indicate that we want to see information about pods. Here in terminal panel we can see actually the output of the command, or we can try follow logs command. It asks us to pick a pod which contains logs we want to see. Yeah, it's here. Also, there is a Kubernetes view that shows the Helm charts tree, and another tree is clusters, which shows the objects of all the Kubernetes clusters. Next sprint we will work on executing context command from that tree. Now I'm gonna show you how we can deploy some pretty simple app into a Kubernetes cluster from Che. Let's clone one of the Kubernetes example application. Yeah, it's cloned. Let's open MySQL deployment YAML and execute Kubernetes apply command from the commands palette. Apply. Confirm that we really want to apply content from the current editor, and Theia informs us that all of the objects successfully created. We can check using Kubernetes get command that PVC is actually created. Check info about the pod. Yeah, it's created. Let's open second deployment YAML for WordPress and apply it in the same way using Kubernetes apply command. Theia informs us that all of the objects created. Let's get info about the PVC. Use Kubernetes get command. Type PVC. Yeah, we can see in the output that both of them are created. And finally, we need to know a port of the WordPress service. Use get command, type service WordPress, and here is a port. So now I need to go to my cluster's URL to see the actual app is running. No, wrong port. Yeah, now it is correct. And that is the application running in the Kubernetes cluster from Che using the VSCode plugin, Kubernetes plugin.